Welcome to our channel. If your business purchased equipment or vehicles and you want to immediately deduct the full cost to offset income, follow these step-by-step instructions to write off 100% of qualifying purchases. Step 1. Understand that bonus depreciation currently allows 100% first-year deduction for new and used qualifying business property placed in service during the tax year. Step 2. Identify qualifying property including machinery, equipment, computers, software, furniture, and vehicles used more than 50% for business purposes. Step 3. Calculate the business use percentage for mixed-use assets like vehicles. Only the business portion of the cost qualifies for immediate write-off. Step 4. Consider Section 179 expensing, which allows immediate deduction up to $1,290,000, subject to your business income limitation. Step 5. Combine Section 179 and bonus depreciation strategically. Use Section 179 first. If you have income limitations, then apply bonus depreciation to remaining costs. Step 6. Place assets in service before year end. Assets must be purchased and operational by December 31st to qualify for current year deductions. Step 7. Document the business purpose and usage percentage for each asset, especially vehicles and electronics that could have personal use components. Step 8. Complete Form 456 2 Reporting, Section 179 Expensing and Bonus Depreciation elections for each qualifying asset. Be aware that 100% bonus depreciation is scheduled to phase down in future years, so maximize current year purchases when possible. Consult your CPA to optimize equipment purchases and timing for maximum tax benefit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.